So let's move to Mathematics 8 of Our Lady of Peñafrancia. So this is the data of Peñafrancia. Their first mastery assessment. Next page. This is the frequency distribution table. We have class range, tally, frequency, XM, less than CF, F times XM, XM minus mu, XM minus mu squared, F times XM minus mu squared. So let's back to data again. Para ma-identify natin lalo yung scores nila, i-lowest to highest natin sila. Para mabilis natin makita. So this is the lowest to highest. We have 13, 14, 14, 15, and so on. So let's back to frequency distribution table. So we have class range. We have 1 to 5, 6 to 10, 11 to 15, 16 to 20, 21 to 25, 26 to 30, and 31 to 35. So, kailangan natin itali yung mga scores na meron tayo sa class range. So, 1 to 5, may scores ba tayo na 1 to 5 sa lowest to highest? Wala. So, ang tali natin is 0. Sa 6 to 10, we don't have 6 to 10 here. So, sa tali natin, 0 pa rin sila. So, sa 11 to 15, meron tayong 13, 14, 14, and 15. So, we have 4. Sa 16 to 20, we have 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 18, 19, 20, and 20. So, we have 10. Sa 21 to 25 naman, we have 22, 22, 24, and 25. And 25 again, so we have 5. Sa 26 to 30, we have 26, 27, and 30. So we have 3. Sa 31 to 35, we have 34 and 35. So we have 2. So, nagtali sila. Tama yung nagawa natin. So, let's move to frequency. Ang frequency naman is, yung tali natin, gagawin lang natin siyang in number. So, 1 to 5, we have 0. So, 0 siya. Sa 6 to 10, ganun din, wala. So, 0. Sa 11 to 15, we have 4. 16 to 20, we have 10. 21 to 25, we have 5. 26 to 30, we have 3. And 31 to 35, we have 2. So, kailangan natin siya i-total. So, ang total... So, let's move to XM. Yung XM natin, is sila yung median ng class range natin or yung middle na number. Halimbawa, sa 1 to 5, ang middle natin sa 1 to 5 is 3 kasi siya yung nasa gitna. So, ang XM natin sa 1 to 5 is 3. Ganon din sa 6 to 10, we have 8. 11 to 15, we have 13. 16 to 20, we have 18. 21 to 25, we have 23. 26 to 30, we have 28. 31 to 35, we have 33. So let's move to less than CF. So sa less than CF, kailangan lang natin i-add yung first term to second term. And second term to third term. So, first term, we have 0. I-add natin siya sa second term. So, 0 pa rin sagot ng second term. Second term, plus 4. So, ang third term natin is 4. Then, yung 4 plus 10, we have 14. 14 plus 5, we have 19. 19 plus 3, we have 22. 22 plus 2, we have 24. So, dapat frequency yung dulo. So, 24 and 24. So, let's move to F times XM. So, tama yung gawa natin. Sa f times xm naman, ito times lang natin si frequency kay xm, yung median natin. So, 0 times 3 is 0. 0 plus 8, 0 times 8 is 0. 4 times 13, we have 52. 10 times 18, we have 180. 5 times 23, we have 115. 3 times 28, we have 84. 2 times 33, we have 66. Total is 497. So let's move to xm minus mu. Dito kailangan natin yung mean. So hahanapin natin yung mean. Yung formula niya is mu equals summation of f times xm over summation of f. Yung summation of f times xm natin, yung total kanina na dito sa 497. Summation of f naman, yung total ng frequency natin, which is in 24. So, i-divide natin sila. So, 497 divide 24 is equal to 20. So, siya yung mu natin. 20, yung mean. So, let's move to xm minus mu. Bali, ima-minus lang natin ang subtraction lang natin is si 20. Ima-minus lang natin siya sa xm. So, 3 minus 20 is negative 17 kasi mas mataas kasi wala naman tayo minus na 20 sa 3. So, negative 17. Sa 8 naman is 8 minus 20 is negative 12. Sa 13 minus 20, we have negative 7. Sa 18 minus 20, we have negative 2. Sa 23 minus 20, we have positive 3. Sa 28. And sa 33 minus, we have positive 13. Check natin kung tama. So, tama, gawa natin. So, let's move to xm minus mu squared. Sa xm minus mu squared, yung ginawa natin kanina sa xm minus mu, isa-squared lang natin sila. So, negative 17 squared. Negative 17 squared, we have 289. Negative 12 squared, we have 144. Negative 7 squared, we have 49. Negative 2 squared, we have 4. Negative 3 squared is 9. 8 squared is 64. 13 squared is 169. And ito total din natin sila. Total of 700. So let's move to f times xm minus mu squared. I-minus lang natin ito times lang natin si frequency kay xm minus mu squared. 289 equals 0. Then si 0 times 144 is 0. Si 4 times 49 we have 196. 10 times 4 is 40. 5 times 9 is 45. 3 times 64 is 192. 2 times 169 is 338. And then total natin ulit sila. We have 881. We have 811.
Since we find all the values of the table, now let's proceed by finding the median. As you can see, the median class has a formula of n over 2. Yung n natin ay nagre-represent as the total value of frequency. Since, since the total value of frequency natin is 24, here, 24, ayan yung, uh, ayan yung isa-substitute natin sa n. So we have 24 divided by 2 is 12. So now we find the median class. So paano natin nakuha tong 16 to 20 value? Since we have 12 value, ang titignan natin sa table is kung ano yung closest na value sa less than cumulative frequency. Si 0 ba is close? Hindi, di ba? Yung 6 to 10, meron siyang 0 na less than cumulative frequency? Okay, wala. How about si 4? Wala, malayo. Si 14? Okay, pwede. Sa 19, lumayo siya. 22, mas lalong lumayo. 24, mas lalong lumayo talaga. So, yun. Since the closest value of 12 is 14, ayun yung gagamitin natin. Okay. Since nahanap na natin yung less than cumulative frequency natin, which is 14, that's why ang gagamitin natin class range is 16 to 20. There you go. Now, nakita na natin yung value ng median natin. Now, let's proceed finding the formula of MM is equals to L plus N over 2 minus less than cumulative frequency over F times H. So, same lang siya ng kanina sa ginawa natin sa Immaculate Conception. So, let's discuss it more easier. So, yung L natin, like said earlier, it is the lower limit of median class and total number of frequency, less than CF, cumulative frequency of preceding the median class. F is the frequency of median class, and H is the class size. So now, let's find all the values. So sa L natin, or lower limit. Okay, wait lang. Okay, yung L natin, yung lower limit natin, ang lower limit sa class range natin na 16 to 20 is yung 16. Ayan, sorry sa writing ko, guys. Pero ulit natin. 16. Yeah, much better. Next, after ng L, yung N. N is the total value or the total number of frequency. So, 24. What is the next one? Yan, tama. B, less than cumulative frequency preceding to median. So, preceding, like it said earlier, preceding is the before or yung bagong number before dun sa pinaka CF. Since yung 16 to 20 has 14 na less than cumulative frequency, titingin lang tayo sa mas bababa, which is yung 4. So, dahil yung 4 yung kasunod ng 14, ito yung magiging less than cumulative frequency natin. So, that's why we have 4. Next one, we have F. So, yung F natin, titingnan natin kung ano yung frequency ng median natin, which is yung 16 to 20. Since yung 16 to 20 has 10 frequency, here, meron siyang 10, yan yung magre-represent as F natin. And last but not the least, which is yung class size, yung age natin. So, ilan ba yung ginamit natin na interval dito? So, from 1 to 5, kung bibilangan natin yan, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, we have 1 to 5. So, ang pinaka ginamit natin na class size is 5. Since, nag-add tayo ng tigli-5. Di ba? Okay? Now, nakuha na natin lahat ng mga hinahanap natin na values. Now, let's proceed sa pinaka-formula natin. After we find all values, let's distribute all the data. So, sa L natin, may 16 tayo. Sa N natin, meron tayong 24. Divide by 2. Yung less than cumulative frequency natin, meron tayong 4. Yung F natin is 10. H natin is 5. So, yan. Na-derive na natin siya. Na-derive na natin lahat ng data na ibinigay. Now, let's compute all of them. So, unahin na natin yung nasa loob ng parentheses. So, 24 divided by 2 is 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. So, that's why we have 16 plus 8 over 10 times 5. Now, let's divide muna dito. I-divide muna natin or pwede nyo nang skip to. Pwede na tayo mag-proceed sa 8 divided by 10. 8 over 10 times 5. Or kung masipag talaga kayo, i-divide nyo muna. We have 8 divided by 10 is 4 over 5. Times 5 is equivalent to 4. Now, we complete all the, natapos na natin yung mga nasa parentheses. We have the 16 plus 4. So, 16 plus 4 is equivalent to 20. So, there you have it. Nakuha na natin yung, guys. Nakuha na natin yung value ng media natin, na-distribute na natin. So, let's move on sa model class.
Identifying the model class. Model class is the class with the highest frequency. Since 16 to 20 has the highest frequency, it considered as the model class. So, let's go back. So, yung class range ng 16 to 20, yung frequency niya is 10, and yung 10 is yung highest na frequency. Siya yung nagko-consider na model class din. Both 1 to 5, 6 to 10 are 0, 11 to 15, 4, 21 to 25, 5, so on so forth. So, yung 10 talaga yung pinakamataas na frequency. So, it is considered the model class. So, let's go back. So, let's calculate the standard deviation. So, sum is equal to square root of summation of x over xm minus mu squared over n. So, yung xm natin is 811. So, paano yan nakuha? So, ito siya. Ayan. So, pinag-plus to. So, yan. Pinag-plus yan lahat to get 811. So, let's go back again. So, yung n natin is the total number of frequencies. So, 24 siya. Let's go back ulit. Ayan, 24. Pinag-plus lang to lahat. We get 24. So, 811 is divided by 24. So, we get 33.79 squared. So, i-square natin yan. So, we get 5.81. Create a histogram. So, ito po yung histogram natin. X represents the class range and Y represents the frequencies. So, both 1 to 5, 6 to 10 got 0. And, apat naman yung nakascore ng 11 to 15, 10 being the highest, nakascore sila ng 16 to 20, 5, 21 to 25, 3, 26 to 30, and 2 to 31 and 35. Summary of the findings. The first mastery assessment result of Grade 8, Our Lady of Peñafrancia, has a mean of 20. Since the median class of the data is 20, it falls under the class range of 16 to 20. Since 16 to 20 has the highest frequency, it is considered the model class. The value of the standard deviation of the data is 5.81. So, ayun lang po lahat, guys. Thank you for listening, and this is Group 1.